What's up guys, today I'm gonna show you how to do a delicious breakfast. Eat every single morning, trust me, you'll love it. Use oats, banana, apple and a few more. I'm gonna show you in a bit. So I'm gonna cut this in half. Okay, now half of cup of oats, just half cup, maybe a little bit more, that's enough. Milk. Going to put cinnamon. Trust me, this is the secret ingredient. I don't know about you, but I put a lot because this is really nice. This gives it a good taste. Okay, now we have to boil it. We're gonna boil this for a minute or two. Spoon of peanut butter. This is what it looks like. Try it, it's amazing.